PSLV C-62 mission. ISRO's PSLV C-62 mission experienced an anomaly at the end of the PS-3 stage, and a detailed investigation has been launched to analyze the issue. About PSLV C-62 mission. It is a multi-payload mission of the Indian Space Research Organization that carries one primary satellite and 18 secondary payloads into space. It is ISRO's first space launch of 2026. It is scheduled to lift off from Sriharikota. The mission's primary payload is the Earth Observation Satellite EOS-N1, code-named Anvesa, an hyperspectral imaging satellite developed primarily for the Defense Research and Development Organization for strategic purposes. Unlike conventional imaging satellites, hyperspectral satellites can see the Earth in hundreds of wavelengths, allowing them to identify materials and objects with far greater precision. This capability makes EOS-N1 a high-value asset for national security, border surveillance, and strategic monitoring. At the same time, the satellite will also be used for civilian applications such as agriculture, planning, urban mapping, mineral detection, and environmental monitoring. PSLV C-62 also carries Europe's Kestrel Initial Demonstrator (KID) and an experimental mission involving a small re-entry capsule developed in collaboration with a Spanish startup. The capsule is expected to re-enter Earth's atmosphere and splash down in the South Pacific Ocean. Additionally, 17 commercial payloads from startups and research institutions across India, Mauritius, Luxembourg, the UAE, Singapore, Europe, and the United States are manifested for the PSLV C-62 mission. Several Indian startups and academic institutions are also flying their satellites. These include Orbit Ed Aerospace, ISAT, CV Raman Global Universities, CGU Sat-1, Dhruv Space, DA-1 Space Kit, India's SR-2, Assam Dion Bosco Universities, Lachit-1, Saksat Aerospace, Solaris S-54, and Dayanand Sagar University, DSAT-1. Bangalore-based Orbit Ed Aerospace ISAT stands out as a historic first. It is India's maiden on-orbit satellite refueling payload. The mission aims to demonstrate technology that could extend the operational life of satellites by enabling in-orbit servicing and refueling. Such capabilities are seen as crucial for tackling space debris and improving sustainability in Earth's increasingly crowded orbital environment.